Unlocking Africa's best kept secrets, 5 untapped business ideas that could make you a billionaire. Greetings and a warm welcome back to Anonymous Business Advice, the channel that never fails to deliver. We are thrilled to have all our regular viewers and would like to extend a special welcome to all the new ones. So, grab yourself a cup of coffee, settle down, and prepare to be amazed because today we are about to share some mind-blowing business ideas that could make you a billionaire. As we all know, creating a monopoly is one of the key strategies that successful companies like Uber have used to achieve billionaire status. Moreover, technology has been a game changer in the business world, and any business venture that involves technology is sure to succeed because the future is tech. Firstly, imagine an app that allows you to avoid long queues at the supermarket. Nobody likes waiting in line at the supermarket, and this app would allow you to scan your desired items and simply walk out. Whether you need a bottle of soda or a packet of condoms, this app would be the ultimate time saver. Secondly, imagine an app that shows all the salons and barbershops in your locality. Salon owners would pay a certain amount to have their business listed, while clients would download the app to easily search for the salons closest to them. They would also be able to see the services on offer, view samples of previous work, and even book an appointment. This would solve the problem of long waiting times at salons and the hassle of finding a new salon in a new area. Thirdly, why not start an ice cream business in rural areas? If you live in an African country like Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Nigeria, or Zambia, then starting an ice cream business in rural areas is a great way to tap into an underserved market. Children in rural areas often have limited access to ice cream, so setting up an ice cream stand in such areas is a surefire way to create a loyal customer base. Fourthly, have you ever found yourself lugging heavy shopping bags around a crowded market or shopping center? The fourth business idea involves starting a luggage storage business in marketplaces. Customers can leave their bags in your custody while they shop, thus freeing them up to enjoy their shopping experience without the added burden of carrying around their belongings. Finally, food trucks are a rarity in Africa, but they offer an exciting business opportunity. Setting up a food truck business and selling affordable, tasty meals to office workers during lunch hour is a great way to tap into a growing market. By signing contracts with office buildings to provide food services, you could become the next big food truck entrepreneur. Are you bursting with entrepreneurial ideas about these business ideas or other ideas? Well, look no further. I'm here to help you take that first step towards achieving your dreams. Don't be shy, let me know your business ideas in the comments and I'll dive deep into them with you. But that's not all. I thrive on engaging with my audience, so if you have any constructive feedback or doubts about a business idea, bring it on. Let's work together and make our dreams a reality. Remember, the sky's the limit and we're all in this together. So, stop dreaming and start doing. Until next time, goodbye and good luck.